Hello, welcome everyone. I just want to show you my setup here for a few stocks which I plan to trade if it triggers my criteria. If no criteria is triggered, I just stay out. First thing I'm looking at is SPY. I'm just going to expand this thing here. So this is SPY here. Okay. Now with SPY here, I basically here, I already drew these trend lines and all these things here. Now SPY is basically here trading in this sort of a tight space at the moment. Now the thing is, if I always wait 15 minutes minimum when the market is open. If it takes off on me, fine, let it be. But at the moment here, it's trading somewhere here 7:30, 9:94 in pre-market. Time is 8 a.m. We still have 90 minutes left. Now if this thing crosses the high of this year around 7:40, it could be it might come and test this trend line. Stock will be here, and if it goes below here, then obviously it can come and test down this trend line, even break out down here close to this support level. I see this liquidity sweep here, a big wick, but obviously I have to wait till 9:30, but I'm getting an idea of what's going on here. Second one I have here is Tesla. Tesla has been going down for a while, and this one I basically will switch it to 15 minutes and then switch it to a 30-minute. This thing here is gapping down 304.68. I'm going to put an alarm at 301 because it might test 300 and then go down and then come up. So I'm going to put an alert here just in case if it goes down, I get this bell, and then I have an idea of what's going on here. Then I can plan accordingly. I have INTC, Intel. Now let me show you with Intel. This thing has been going down for quite a while here. Okay, there are a lot of gaps in this. I don't really like the pattern of Intel, but there's a big gap on the bottom here also, which is pending for a long time, since April. So traders might fill this gap here, but I have to wait for this year. This is not in my radar as of today, but I'm just trying to see what's going on here. Nvidia is another one. Nvidia, it's coming close to this support level. It might come and try to kiss this liquidity and see, and then once again, this is, if it triggers, I prefer this thing to be triggering at around 1:30 too, not before that, because I always look at SPY for the first 1 or 2 hours. Last one is SpaceX. If you look at SpaceX, it has been going down. For others, SPY and Tesla mostly day trades. Others are for maybe a day or a couple of days. At the moment, SpaceX is gapping down 110. It can easily go to 100 or even lower, but for me to trade this, it has to cross the high of yesterday's high, which is 115 something. If it doesn't trigger, no trade. So this thing here has been going down, so time when everything has been selling off, think of buying. So let's see how this thing goes, and any questions you have, let me know. Hopefully it was of some value, and have a great day. Take care. Thanks. Bye.